If you're trying to beef up your privacy and block unwanted ads, you've probably heard about Ublock Origin, one of the most respected browser extensions for filtering out unwanted content. But with recent changes in Chrome's extension system, and unfortunately, a rise in fake versions trying to trick users, it's easy to accidentally install the wrong one. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to confidently spot the real Ublock Origin, especially in the Chrome Web Store, and avoid getting scammed by lookalike imposters. By the end, you'll know how to tell the genuine extension apart and save yourself from headaches and possible security risks. Let's dive right in. First, if you're looking for the new, official version made to work with Chrome's latest extension rules, specifically Manifest v3, what you want is called Ublock Origin Lite. This is Raymond Hill's answer to Google's changes, and it's totally legit. To confirm you've got the real one, start by checking who made it. The developer must be listed as Raymond Hill, with the username Gorehill. Don't skip this detail. It's like checking the author of a best-selling book. If you see any other name, such as Adblock Inc. or Charlie Lee, stop for a second. That's a huge red flag. Next, take a look at the icon and extension name. The official Ublock logo is instantly recognizable, a deep red shield with a white lowercase u in the center. The name itself should read exactly Ublock Origin Lite. Copycat extensions often try to get clever by tweaking the name or using a similar logo. So if something seems off or you spot little spelling mistakes, trust your instincts. It pays to be a little skeptical here. Now, about the functionality. Because Ublock Origin Lite was built to follow Google's new rules, it's different from the original full-featured version. You won't find advanced options like custom filters, dynamic filtering, or a separate filtering process. It's streamlined and a bit more limited, which might feel restrictive if you're used to tweaking every setting. But this simplicity is intentional and keeps it compliant and safe. So, if an extension claims to be full-featured Ublock Origin but is listed as Manifest v3 on Chrome's store, beware. That's not how the real upgrade works. Here's something important. The original Ublock Origin that used Manifest v2, packed with all the extra features, was removed from the Chrome Web Store and actually banned from users' browsers as of March 2025. If you come across an extension claiming to be Ublock Origin without the Lite and offering the old goodies, it's not the real deal, especially if it pops up in the Chrome Store. If you're on Brave or another browser that still supports Manifest v2, or you're comfortable with manual installations, you can safely get the real Ublock Origin from Raymond Hill's GitHub page and load it using developer mode. But for Chrome users searching the store, remember, if you see the full version, it's a trick. Let's talk about common signs that an extension is fake. If the developer isn't Raymond Hill, Gorehill, move on. Sometimes scam extensions will ask for a ton of unusual permissions, say, access to all your browsing data or control over your downloads. Those are immediate signs to stay away. After installing, a fake extension might open up random tabs, redirect you to sketchy sites, or flood your screen with ads. That's classic malicious behavior. Also, genuine extensions like Ublock Origin have been around for a while and have thousands of real reviews. If you land on a page for an official extension but see only a handful of reviews, or they're all weirdly recent, pause and reconsider. Watch out for confusion tactics too. Fakes might use names that sound official, like Ublock, Ublock Plus, or Adblock Pro. They're banking on users not looking closely. Try to check how many users it has. If it's in the few hundreds or thousands instead of millions of installs, that's another sign it's not the trusted blocker everyone recommends. So, to sum up, always check the developer name, extension icon, exact naming, and user counts and reviews before adding anything to Chrome. Take a little time to verify, and you'll avoid potential spyware or shady trackers hiding behind a well-known name. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I read and respond to as many as I can. And of course, subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides on browser privacy, extensions, and internet safety. Stay sharp out there, and I'll see you in the next video.